Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to show you guys a tutorial on how to turn your wheel, your dirty wheel looking like new again. So this one is the Honda Civic 2009 EXL, and as you can see the wheel is pretty dirty, and I'm going to transform this to looking brand new again. So I'm gonna move on to the other side. I only did one side already, and this is what it looks like when it's dirty. This is the front wheel on the passenger side, and I'm gonna go back there and show you the rear passenger side. So this is a rear passenger side on the right hand side. Okay, it is also filthy and dirty. And this is what the wheel look like after I do a deep clean. This one is the driver's rear side, and then there's a front side right there. I'm gonna go there and show you guys. So right here's a front left wheel. It's looking like a spanking new. So what you need to do is use a soap and water to give it a nice wash, and then after that you're gonna go ahead and use this. I use this chrome cleaner and polish. I got this probably a couple decades ago. This is only like $1.29. Used to be like that's pretty good. And it's still working. This is the 12 fluid ounce. So it says danger, harmful, and fatal if swallow, eye, and skin irritation. So you want to wear a glove while you try to use this solution. It looks kind of like a wax after it gets dries up. So, and then after that, you need to use a cleaning cloth and then wipe out all those white stuff out your rims. And then after that, I use the Armor tire foam to make it look shiny again. Okay. So I'm going to show you the Prius that I did as well. So let's go and then check it out. So I applied the same method on the Honda Civic EXL to the Prius black rim. This is what it looked like before, and I'm going to show you afterward. You're going to be surprised. But unfortunately, I did not finish fully yet, so it still made me look kind of like dirty. So let's go ahead and move on to this. By the way, this one is the front passenger side. As you can see, it's kind of muddy on the rim, on the wall, and so dirty on the center. So I'm gonna move it to the driver's side and show you guys the front wheel. So this is what it look like on the front wheel after I partially finished. As you can see, the wall. Well, actually, I didn't really apply the Armor on the wall yet. I just use soap and water and give it a nice clean. Although the rag that I use has some kind of oil, motor oil that was on there. Maybe that's why it looks much better. So I'm just going to show you guys real quick, and then how I clean it. You're going to wear a glove, and be sure to shake that cleaner and polish pretty well before you apply on the wheel. Oh, we're gonna give it a wash first, but somehow with this one, I just without washing it, and then I start using the polish, and after that I wipe it out and then give it nice and clean. That's it. But it's better to give it a wash because you don't want to break the dust on the wheel, and then use rubbing against the wheel's paint and then scratch more that way. All right, so let's go ahead and start on the rear wheel. So we're gonna go ahead and start on this wheel. I'm just gonna do a partial of it so I don't waste you guys time. So You see the middle chrome part on the Toyota logo is pretty dirty. Got my gloves on. You want to put this stay out of the sun. Got this sponge for the wheel. Dirty rag, wet rag, cleaning rag. I forgot to tell you I use cotton balls. So as you can see the brake dust on the wheel. That's why it's kind of like dirty. So I'm gonna use without washing it off. So Look at that. You might go to a second time. Now I gotta buff out that white stuff. anyway, hopefully you guys give it a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace.